Hi, I'm Marian, and I'm from Alberta, Canada. I've been here in Canada for more than 10 years now. Originally, I am from the Philippines. I had a sterling career in design and marketing in the Philippines, and I just continue to do that here in Canada until my husband got a job in a small town in Alberta, and I shifted my career to online. I have been working as freelance digital designer and marketing specialist, and I found working at home gives me more control of my time and capacity to earn, yet giving me a lot of time to do things I love most, like painting, cooking, or playing with my dog gently. So I decided to realize the full potential of online career and be a digital entrepreneur. I tried to create my own online business, but there are so much things to do technically. And I read 90% fail in the first year. Then I found this business. This business is pretty much on autopilot. It does everything for me, and all I have to do is just focus on my strategies. And I have a great big team to support me every step of the way. I'm so used to doing all the nitty-gritty of business planning and marketing, being a marketing consultant for many years. This time, this business is doing it all for me. Imagine driving a car that just lets you enjoy the ride and not worry about the driving. My husband and I love to travel. We love outdoors a lot. Now I can enjoy all this, be anywhere in the world, and still run my business. Want to learn more about this? Join our live business session and learn how our seasoned mentors can help you avoid all the mistakes and pitfalls that digitalpreneurs experience on their own. We have been working hard all these years. It's time to work smarter and live and enjoy life the way it should be.